The Stone Curlew and the Falcon. Once upon a time, the Sky Kingdom was plunged into darkness when a powerful curse stole the sun's light. Without the sun, the land grew cold and its people lost hope. The wise Sky Sultan called for 2 champions to restore the light. The Stone Curlew, a bird of patience and wisdom, and the Falcon, a master of speed and courage. Though the 2 birds were opposites, the Sultan believed that together they could achieve the impossible. "The sky gem lies atop the Misty Peak," said the Sultan. "Retrieve it to restore the light. Only by uniting your strengths can you succeed." Reluctantly, the Curlew and Falcon set off, their differences sparking tension. The first trial was a treacherous pass where fierce winds howled. The Falcon, impatient and swift, charged forward but was thrown back by the gusts. The Curlew, observing quietly, waited for the winds to calm and guided them through a safer route. The Falcon grumbled, but deep down, he admired the Curlew's patience. "Speed isn't always the answer," admitted the Falcon. The second trial brought them to a dark forest, where eerie shadows played tricks on their eyes. The Curlew hesitated, fearing the unknown. But the Falcon, bold and unyielding, urged, "Follow me and trust my courage." Together, they navigated the forest, relying on the Falcon's fearless leadership. The Curlew began to understand that bravery could light even the darkest path. At last they reached the Misty Peak, where the sky gem lay guarded by swirling mists. The Falcon soared high to spot the gem's exact location, but retrieving it required precision and patience. The Curlew carefully approached, retrieving the gem without triggering the traps hidden around it. With the sky gem in their grasp, the birds returned to the Sultan. The gem's light burst forth, banishing the curse and restoring the sun's warmth to the kingdom. The Sultan declared, "You have shown that patience and courage together can overcome any challenge. You are now protectors of the skies, a symbol of unity and strength." From that day forward, the Stone Curlew and the Falcon became inseparable, teaching others the value of their combined strengths. Quality management lessons. 1. Teamwork. The story highlights the importance of collaboration between individuals with different strengths to achieve a common goal. Second, process approach. Each trial required careful observation and planning, showing that systematic approaches lead to success. 3. Patience and improvement. The Curlew's patience mirrors the need for continuous evaluation and adaptation in processes. 4. Leadership and courage. The Falcon demonstrates that leadership and boldness can inspire action during uncertainty. 5. Unity and diversity. The story emphasizes how differences, when embraced, become an asset for innovation and problem solving. Through the lens of quality management, this tale serves as a timeless reminder that every strength has its place and that true success comes from working together.